This is Rohit from techyog.com and today I'm going to review talking faces. Now, if you want something like this on your website,
Hello guys, this is Rohit and this is the review of Talking Faces.
so so you have seen how cool is that, and also one of the cool thing I have added for you. If you pick up talking faces from one of these links, you are going to get all the bonuses. Here you can check this particular page link on the description of this video, and you can get all the crazy bonuses from my side. I'm not going to show you everything. You can just go to the link in the description of this video and you can see all these things. Now let's get into a review of talking faces. Now, as you can see, we have many human faces here. As you can, we have almost 47 humatars. So now, what a humatar is, it's kind of a assistant of your website, or it's kind of a thing that will say what you want. So as you can see, what I like on the talking faces, what you will get, you can like select a talking face, you can create a talking face, you can reface a talking face. I'm going to go all the way of like refacing, but let me get into all these things. And here you will get my talking faces, means all the render videos or rendered talking faces of yours. So let's create an talking face now, and let's select this one. We have to just go to create video. Now what happens here, here you get all the options of humans, the human faces, and here you can write whatever you want to like to speak, or to your humatar should you speak. So let's do it. This is uh, Rohit from techyog.com, right? And if I want, like I can go on English, means if I want some other kind of language, there are many languages like Chinese, and other French, Germany, Hindi, and many more. You can see all the languages here, and we have the AI voice. Now I can like choose different kind of voice. So let me give you a few example. For example, this one.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected. Make sure to click the play script button below the script box before you generate your.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected.
This is a demo of the voice you have
Let's
selected.
select.
Make sure to click the play script button below the script box before you generate your video.
So these kind of voices are there. So now,
This is Rohit from techavoke.com.
so as you can see, what I will write here. Also, you can like you can upload your own voices. So there's also option of that. If you want like your own voice to be uploaded to your website, that can be done here. And as you can see, you can add a call to action, means click here. As you can see, we have a click here button, and here you have to put your button URL. For example, where like if you have a lead generation form, or an or a landing page, something like that, that can be done. And they also have an email form, so I'm not going to get it on that particular part. And here I can like color and customize all the things, and add a timer, means if a humatar appears on my website, how much second it should take, or it should pop up on my exit. So it totally depends on you, what you want and how you want it. And I can also like select different kind of humatars, as you can see, like this. And I can like do everything is customizable. And I can like also select the emotions. I can go on full body or circle. So full body is more likely to be more real and more sophisticated, right? And here you can like all also add the like emotions, or what you can say, the call to actions also. So you can like add these kind of things. So this kind of things are cool here. And now after all these things, you also have some options of like contour down. So you can add a timer, some kind of timer, and here you can like text. So you can add the contour like countdown here, and you can use a date or something, if for example if you have an event or something like that. And then we have few more controls like play once, or play video if possible. So there are many options here. So they're like a more like a control options, so that can be used here. And now as you can see, I have to just give it a name. For example, I'm going to give it a testing 3, and now I have to just agree to their terms and condition, and I have to just create this particular humitar. So this how easy it is. And I'm also going to show you how you can like embed it to your websites. And you just have to go here, and you have to like paste the particular URL of your website where you want your humitar to show. For example, if I want to show it on my home page, so I have to just go here, and like on my home page, and I have to just save it. And now what you can do, if you want to preview it, for example, if you have some kind of a client website where you don't have any access, but still you want to show up what you can do for them. For example, I go to CNN. For example, I'm going to CNN. Now what I can do, I can just paste the CNN URL, and now I have to just save it. I've saved it. Now I'm again going to it, and I'm going to the instant URL. And what happens here actually, so it is not loading right now. So let's see, let's try again. And again it is not loading for some kind of like issues. So let me get some other website. For example, I want to go to blog that is not my right, and I'm just going here, and I'm just saving it. And now again, because maybe this CNN has some kind of more secured things and all these things, so protocols. No, and now as you can see, I don't own this website, and I can still
Hello guys, this is Rohit and
preview the things. You are not actually adding it, you are just previewing it. To add it, of course, what you have to do, you have to copy this embed code to your website header part. So that is the thing, you have to just like do it. And now there are the more options. As you can see, the refacing. Now what happens in refacing, you can reface the humitar. I will say them a humitar. So what you can do, you can like reface any face, or you can upload your own images. So that is, for example, this image I want to upload here. I want him, actually he looks like me, so so I can like upload my own like images here, and I can reface the face. For example, if you don't want some generic thing to be like like the talking face software itself will be used in future by many websites, because it can bring you more conversions and more things to your website. So what happens here, you can like reface, like it is taking some time, so I can select any of the image and I can render it. So there is a terms and condition everywhere, so I can render it and I can reface this particular image or this particular humatars. So it is.
Hello guys, this is Rohit and this is the review of Talking Face.
So this is the thing, and you can rephase it, and it will take some time to render, of course. So you can add, it's kind of a thing, you can add your own image or your own face. So that is the quite a interesting thing on this particular software, because if you find an avatar who is like, whose personality is like yours, and you put on your images to that, like you reface the face of that particular humatar to your face. So how cool will be that you are able to add something like this to your website. So that is the quite an interesting thing you can like add on your website. So guys, this was the quick review of Talking Faces, and on the link available on the description part of this video you will find all the bonuses. If you like this software, actually I am going to love this software. So this kind of softwares are pretty like like a thing that can bring really a change to your website. So you can find in description of this video, and you are going to get all the bonuses. So do pick up this particular software if you are going to like it, and if you are going to like buy it or pick up it, you can like pick up it through my links. So thank you guys, this was Rohit from techievoke.com, and see